Hello everyone, welcome to Techavro. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to write YouTube descriptions with ChatGPT. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Techavro. So let's get started. For this, you have to open your browser and search for ChatGPT. Here you can see introducing ChatGPT. Press on this. Now press and try ChatGPT. If you want to know how you can structure your question to ChatGPT about writing YouTube descriptions, now I'm gonna show you with clear points or rules along example prompt. You just have to follow the rules, tips and tricks. That's it. So let's go. Number 1. Define the type of content. Example: I make tech tutorials and want descriptions that explain the video content and include key terms. Let's see the answer. Here you have to specify the type of content to tailor the description. Number 2. Focus on engagement. Example prompt: can you help make the description engaging? And include a call to action like subscribe or check out my other videos. Here is your result. Ask for ways to make the descriptions engaging and encourage viewers to take actions. Number 3. Tone and style. Example: I want a description to sound friendly and conversational, but still professional. You have to specify the tone of the description. Here is your answer. And the last one, number 4, length and structure. Example: can you provide a description that's around 150 to 2000 words and includes a brief summary, links to related videos, and a call to action? Here you have to mention how long you want the description to be and in specific structure elements. That's it. So this approach covers all aspects you may need when asking about writing YouTube descriptions with ChatGPT. This is how you can write YouTube descriptions with ChatGPT. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.